Hi guys, I'm going to read English newspaper. Congress pledges Ministry for Purvanchalis. The promises also includes a separate budget if the party is elected to the power. The Congress on Friday announced that there will be a separate ministry and budget for Purvanchalis in Delhi if the party is elected to power in the upcoming assembly elections. The Congress leaders alleged that the Aam Aadmi Party has destroyed Delhi's world class infrastructure and turned it into a garbage. They accused the government of indulging in corruption to the tune of Rs 382 crore in the health care sector. Talking to reporters in the Delhi Congress office, the party's Bihar unit president and former union minister Akhilesh Prasad Singh said if Delhi has become a world class city, the Purvanchalis have as much role in it as other living in the national capital. Singh emphasized that the nearly 35 lakh Purvanchalis residing in Delhi have been neglected by both the Aam Aadmi Party and the BJP, who have treated them as mere vote banks without providing basic living facilities. Despite their significant contributions to Delhi's development, Purvanchalis have been forced to live in deplorable conditions. He said, "Today we want to make two important announcements. There will be a separate ministry and a separate budget for the people of Purvanchalis if the Congress is elected to power in the upcoming polls, so that issues related to their health and education can be addressed," Singh said. He highlighted his observations during an election meeting in Sangam, Bihar, South Delhi, where he witnessed the poor living conditions in unauthorized colonies. He criticized Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal for disrespecting Purvanchalis after securing their votes, citing Kejriwal's controversial remark about them coming to Delhi with the ERS-5 ticket and availing treatment were the RS-5 flag. He also condemned BJP President JP Nadda for comparing Purvanchalis to Bangladeshis and Uzbeks. Dr. Singh reiterated that Congress would create a dedicated ministry to address critical issues affecting Purvanchalis such as housing, education, health, and overall living standards. Delhi residents from eastern Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and Jharkhand are referred to as Purvanchalis in the national capital. They constitute a sizable percentage of the voters who can decide the fate of candidates in several constituencies of Delhi due to which the Congress, BJP, and up them during the elections. Congress leader Supriya Srinate said the Purvancharis have gone to every corner of this country and developed those places. But when it comes to their rights, they are being treated unfairly, she said. Thank you guys for